Hey, what's up guys? It's Sawyer Robertson from Faith Like Birds. Welcome back to the monthly recap vlog. The purpose of these videos is to document the travels and different projects going on here at Faith Like Birds, as well as show you behind the scenes content, stories from our travels, and get to know us more. But with that said, before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe, as well as hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload from us here. This month was quite different from last month. We did not have a large trip to go on, so much of this month was spent planning as well as making content. Not to say Brian did not speak at any events. For example, on September 7th, Brian had the opportunity of ministering to the student leadership team at Life Church in Windber, PA over Zoom. He encouraged the team by speaking on the importance of abiding in relationship with God and how it is the key to an effective leader, as well as reminding them that they have been placed in these leadership positions solely by the result of God entrusting it to them. The goal of Brian's message was to call them higher and steward their roles in fear of the Lord. Brian also wrapped up his class on identity that he has been teaching on Wednesday nights at Praise Community Church in York, PA, with the next class being planned to start on January 14th of 2026. And lastly, Brian got to speak briefly at a prayer vigil on behalf of Charlie Kirk and his family at Springettsbury Park in York, PA on the 18th. Hundreds of people were present to pray and worship together. Brian was asked to speak on the current condition of teens and young adults today with what we are seeing take place in ministering to them. Alongside these events, we have continued working on different projects here at Faith Like Birds. Brian has been working hard on gaining access to public schools with the purpose of ministering to teenagers. Beginning through Christian clubs that we will start meeting with soon, Brian has also reached out to some principals to see if they would be interested in having Brian as an inspirational speaker at school assemblies. The goal would be to utilize his doctoral research on rejection and its effects on students as a starting point, encouraging students by showing them that their life has purpose and meaning. However, the end game would be to host a Gen-Free event outside of school hours and invite students to come so they could hear the gospel and respond. With a humble approach, we seek to serve schools and their students through their clubs and assemblies, and we will be able to bring Gen-Free to them. If you are a teacher or student that is connected to a school and would like to know more about having Brian as a speaker, please reach out to info@faithlikeBirds.com. With that said, the social media team has been hard at work this month, and we have already been doing more than we ever have before. So if you haven't followed us, make sure to follow us on all of our socials, as well as Instagram, Facebook, and here on YouTube. Here's another round of bloopers from this past month, as well as behind the scenes content.
There's so many bugs.
Are they bugging you?
They are. Oh. He's stretching. Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Hey guys, I hope you guys are having fun at Gen-Free Youth. Go!
Shut up!
Oh!
My bad.
Shut up! He just stares at the camera. Hey Gen-Free, I have some important news.
I use the two too.
So like, as I'm saying... Yeah.
Shut up! It's game time! Here's how the game's gonna work. Did that go too far to the forward? Oh, man!
Gen-Free Youth. Go!
Shut up! It's game time! Here's how the game's gonna work. Alright.
Swag, swag like Caillou.
That's what they say.
Yep, no. Come...
Guys, did you know that Jesus got to be killed? He's back.
That was a lot. I literally just spat on him. I didn't even...
He's making breakfast!
Do we look beautiful or
Do I look pretty, Mr. Krause? When you are making your way out to the field, you will be given a small bag for the game. Do not open unless you.
you stuttered, dude.
Also, be on the lookout for our new merch drop soon in this month of October. Tessa Durand, our graphic designer, has created new sweatshirts and new t-shirts that I'm sure you are going to love. I continue to just be blown away by these new designs that she has made and be looking to the new merch reveal as well. I'm super excited for these upcoming events, and make sure to continue praying for us, as well as these upcoming events. Be praying for these prayer points that I have on screen. Also pray that God would use Brian's new book to bless it, strengthen, and encourage those who read it. Also, don't forget to save the date for the Faith Like Birds Vision Dinner that will be coming up just around the corner on January 29th. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your continued support of this ministry. I'm excited to see what the Lord is going to do in this next month. The plan is to have these videos out on the first Friday of every month, and with that, I can't believe that we're as close to 2026 as we are. Make sure, if you haven't already, scroll down and hit that subscribe button, as well as the notification bell so you never miss one of these videos. Thank you so much again for watching. That's it for now. See you guys later. Bye.